Pelicans are among the most recognizable water birds, known for their distinctive large bills and expandable throat pouches. These fascinating birds belong to the family Pelicanidae and are found on coastlines and inland waters across the globe, except for the interior of South America and the polar regions. Their unique appearance and behaviors have intrigued birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts for centuries, making them a subject of much interest and admiration. One of the most remarkable features of pelicans is their long bill, which can measure up to 18 inches in length in some species. Attached to their bill is a large, flexible throat pouch that serves as a net for scooping up fish, their primary food source. This pouch can hold up to 3 gallons of water, which the pelican drains before swallowing its catch. Pelicans are known for their impressive fishing techniques. While most species prefer to fish in groups, herding schools of fish into shallow waters before scooping them up, the brown pelican is known for its dramatic plunge diving technique, where it dives from heights of up to 65 feet to catch fish beneath the surface. There are 8 species of pelicans found worldwide, with variations in size, color, and habitat preferences. These species include the great white pelican, American white pelican, brown pelican, Peruvian pelican, pink-backed pelican, Dalmatian pelican, Australian pelican, and the spot-billed pelican, each adapted to their specific environments. Pelicans are social birds, often seen flying in graceful V formations or resting in large groups on sandbars and islands. This social behavior extends to their feeding habits, as they are known to cooperate with each other to herd fish and are often observed sharing perching and nesting sites. Despite their heavy build, pelicans are excellent flyers. They use thermal updrafts to soar to great heights and can travel long distances with minimal effort by gliding on air currents. This efficiency in flight allows them to migrate over vast distances, especially in the case of species that inhabit colder regions during the breeding season. The breeding habits of pelicans are as fascinating as their fishing techniques. They nest in colonies, with some species building nests on the ground, while others, like the brown pelican, prefer to nest in trees or on cliffs. The nests are constructed from sticks, reeds, and feathers, and both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the young. Pelican chicks are born naked and blind, but grow rapidly, thanks to the high-protein diet provided by their parents. The young are fed through regurgitation, with the parents transferring partially digested fish directly from their pouch to the chicks' mouths. The conservation status of pelicans varies from species to species, with some like the Dalmatian pelican listed as near threatened due to habitat loss, pollution, and disturbance from human activity. Conservation efforts for pelicans include habitat restoration, protection of breeding colonies, and public education to minimize human disturbance. Pelicans have a long lifespan, with some individuals living more than 30 years in the wild. Their longevity, combined with their social nature, means that pelicans can form long-lasting bonds with their mates and within their colonies, adding another layer of complexity to their social dynamics. The plumage of pelicans changes with age and season, with juveniles often sporting browner, duller colors than the striking white or gray and black plumage of adults. This change in plumage is accompanied by changes in bill and pouch coloration, which can be used to signal readiness for breeding in some species. Pelicans have a unique respiratory system that allows them to take deep breaths before diving and to effectively manage oxygen while flying at high altitudes. This adaptation is particularly useful for species like the brown pelican that engage in plunge diving. The eyesight of pelicans is highly adapted for their aquatic lifestyle. They have excellent vision both above and below water, which aids them in spotting fish from the air during diving and navigating through murky waters while swimming. Pelicans are not just fish eaters. Their diet can also include amphibians, crustaceans, and occasionally smaller birds. This opportunistic feeding behavior ensures their survival in diverse habitats and during different seasons when their preferred food sources may not be as abundant. The role of pelicans in their ecosystems extends beyond just their feeding habits. As top predators, they help maintain the balance of fish populations, and their nesting colonies can contribute to the nutrient cycle in their habitats, supporting a diverse array of plant and animal life. Pelicans have been featured in art, literature, and folklore in many cultures, often symbolized as caring and self-sacrificing creatures. This portrayal is partly inspired by the ancient myth that pelicans would wound their own breasts to feed their blood to their young in times of famine, a behavior not observed in reality but rooted in the birds' attentive care for their chicks. The fossil record shows that pelicans have existed for over 30 million years, with the earliest known fossil, Protopelicanus, dating back to the Oligocene epoch. This long evolutionary history speaks to the adaptability and resilience of these birds in the face of changing climates and landscapes. In some cultures, pelicans are considered good luck symbols, representing abundance and prosperity. This belief is likely tied to the bird's association with water, a vital resource, and their bountiful fishing abilities. The American white pelican is one of the largest pelican species, with a wingspan that can exceed 9 feet. This impressive wingspan, combined with their soaring flight and communal feeding habits, makes them a spectacular sight in their natural habitats. Despite their size and strength, pelicans have few natural predators. However, their eggs and chicks are vulnerable to predation by birds of prey, mammals, and even other large birds. This vulnerability highlights the importance of protected nesting sites for the survival of young pelicans. Pelicans contribute to the health of aquatic ecosystems by controlling fish populations and engaging in nutrient cycling. Their presence is an indicator of a healthy, functioning ecosystem, and their decline can signal environmental issues that need addressing. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.